Till now we have studied many things about structure, union, type DEF, enumeration, all these things. So we know that structure, union, enumeration, all these are used to form new data type, but some limitations are there. Okay, so structure, union, enumeration, though these are very useful, but some limitations are there. Today we'll discuss about the limitations of this structure, union and enumeration. I'm just going to show you some points. You see here, um, structure variables cannot be used completely as built-in data types. For example, structure variable cannot be used directly for arithmetical calculations. Fine. So actually we know that in our structure we declare some structure members, and after that according to our need we declare some structure variables, and the structure members we access using the structure variables. But these structure variables cannot be used for arithmetical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, if you want to add two integers, you can perform arithmetical operation on that, I mean addition operation on that, but two structure variables directly cannot be used to do all these things like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is one limitation. Functions cannot be used as the members of a structure and union in C programming. Therefore, non-member functions are used to access the members of the structures and unions. As a result, data security issues are there. So what does it mean? Actually, you see, in a structure or in a union we can declare some variables. Okay, the members of a structure or a union can be only variables. We cannot declare any function as a member of a structure or as a member of a union in C programming. So therefore the members of a structure or the members of a union can be accessed by the functions which are not members of the union and structure. So that's why they are called non-member functions. So non-member functions means outside the structure and union we may declare any function, and using that function we can access the structure members and union members. Therefore the data containing by the members of a structure or union, they are less secured. So any function can be formed to modify their values. So data security issue is there. Next point is, in C programming the members of a structure or union are considered as public members, as access modifiers are not used. Therefore data cannot be secured. So whatever the members we are declaring inside a union or a structure, those members are considered as public by default. They cannot be declared as private or protected. So any kind of restriction we cannot impose on those members which are declared inside a structure or a union. So any function or any statement can modify their values. So a kind of security issue is there. Next point, in case of enumeration only integer type members can be used. So there is no scope of using other built-in or custom data types. In case of enumeration, what we have seen that only integer members can be used there. So there is a kind of limitation, you can say. Only integers we can use inside inside the enumeration, but other data types like float, character, any other custom data type we cannot use as the member of enumeration. So that is a kind of limitation in case of enumeration. So I hope these points are clear to you. Okay.